Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find permissions role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings. Now here you'll find roles, click on it. Now click here. Here as you see you will find permission settings. Click on it, and that's how to find permission role settings. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.